Welcome to MathSolve. In this video, we are going to look at straight line equation in both general and the gradient form. And when we are looking at the general form, and you can see ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So in our straight line equation, everything in the left hand side and right side will be 0. And a, b, c all are integers. So a, b, c are integers. So what I'm saying that a, b, c it would be always whole numbers. It cannot be a fraction or decimal. Okay, and a is always we are taking positive. Is always positive. So we are taking a is positive to make the our results consistent. Okay, and what is gradient intercept from? Gradient intercept from is y equal to mx plus b. So the equation with y is subject, and that m is, we know that m is the gradient. So m is called gradient, and y is b is y-intercept. So our b here. So if you just write down here b, so our b is y-intercept. So b is equal to y-axis intercept. So y-intercept means y-axis intercept, right? So it means when you have a graph like that and the line touching passing to the y-axis, and that is called y-intercept, and that distance from here to here is called b. Okay, if we start with an example, and sometimes we need to write our answer in a gradient form, or sometimes our answer need to write there in the general form. So for instance, if we start with a general form, example x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. So this is the general form, and you can see ax plus by plus c equal to, in this case, c equal to -2. So this is the general form, everything in the left hand side and all are integers, right? Now if I ask you to convert it or change it to gradient intercept form, what we need to do, we need to make y subject. So in order to make y subject, we have to rearrange the equation. So we are bringing that x and 2 to the other side, which is coming as a -x and +2, and then we have to make y subject. So if you make y subject, you have to divide by 2. If you divide this one by 2, that is half x or minus half x plus 1. Okay, so this is our the gradient form. And if I ask you what is the gradient, and you know that if I compare with y equal to mx plus b, we know that m is basically minus half, and b is y-intercept, which is 1. So actually when you convert the general form to the gradient form, you can easily so this is half, so you can easily get the gradient and y-intercept from the equation. So if the question is given in general form and asking to gradient find out the gradient and y-intercept, we can just convert the general form into the gradient intercept form and then find out the gradient and y-intercept. And all about, you just need to make y is a subject in this case. But if I take another example, let's say we have y equal to x over 3 plus 1, and this is already, you know, there is a gradient form y equal to mx plus b, and in this case m is 1 over 3, right? So we can just write m equal to 1 over 3 in this case, and we know that b equal to 1. So basically the equation is given in terms of gradient intercept form. And if I ask you now to convert it to general form, what we need to do, we have to eliminate the fraction. As I said, that it cannot be a fraction. So if you eliminate the fraction, you have to multiply by 3. So which is 3y equal to x plus 3. I am multiplying all these terms by 3. And then we have to bring everything to the left hand side. So it would be minus x plus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. And now, as I said, this is good that all are integers, that's fine, and everything is in the left hand side and right side is 0. But I also mentioned before that a is always positive. We are trying to make always x coefficient is positive, so that our results would be the consistent. So now in order to make x positive, what we need to do, we just need to multiply the negative to all the terms. And if you multiply all the terms by negative, it would be x minus 3y plus 3 equal to 0. So I am multiplying all these three terms by negative. It would be positive x, negative 3y, and positive 3, and then right side will be just equal to 0. If you multiply 0 with the negative, it would be 0. So this is the general form. So if we have the gradient form, and then to convert to the general form, we need to eliminate the fraction and try to make all integers, and a is coming as a positive integer, and that's how we can get the general form. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel to see more up-to-date videos. Thank you.